Most of us know that polluted outdoor air is a problem that affects people around the world. Yet many of us are not aware that the indoor air we breathe can also be bad.
Breathing is essential for your health. And since we're spending a lot of time indoor, the indoor air quality is really important for you.
And since poor air quality affects all of us, we at IKEA are launching connected air purifiers to help people monitor and improve the air we breathe at home. While developing the new range, we kept some important things in mind. Our connected air purifier had to deliver cleaner air at home, keep noise levels low, blend into any home, be easy to use and affordable. STARKVIND Air Purifier ticks all these boxes. STARKVIND Connected Air Purifier is developed to clear the air in rooms up to 20 square meters. The air purifier comes with a pre-filter and a particle filter. The pre-filter catches larger particles like hair and dust. The filter for particle removal is optimized to filter approximately 99.5% of smaller airborne particles, such as PM2.5 particles, dust and pollen. The air purifier can also be fitted with an optional filter for gas cleaning, which absorbs gaseous pollutants such as formaldehyde and other VOCs. It also reduces unpleasant odors caused by pets, smoke and cooking. We at IKEA start with life at home when developing new products. That's why we kept noise levels in mind while maintaining great performance when developing STARKVIND. With 5 settings to choose from, you can set the air purifier to a level that suits your needs. The lowest setting is quiet enough to allow for a good night's sleep. You can also set and forget STARKVIND with auto mode. The air purifier works in the background, automatically adjusting its settings and cleaning the air so that you can focus on doing other things. We've worked with finding a good balance to keep the costs down on the filters as well as energy consumption without compromising on quality and performance. We at IKEA know that space is premium in many homes. That's why STARKVIND combines air purifying technology with great home furnishing design. STARKVIND Air Purifier comes in 2 models. The standalone floor model is easy to move around to different rooms in your home. The side table model combines air purifying technology with great design. It's attractive and filters the air and frees up space as it blends into your home. STARKVIND Air Purifier can also be connected to IKEA Home Smart app with the TRÅDFRI gateway for even more control and flexibility when using your air purifier. You'll be able to set timers, adjust settings, and control the air purifier through the IKEA Home Smart app. You'll also be able to check the quality of your home's air with the air purifier's built-in air quality sensor. STARKVIND Air Purifier is effective, affordable to own, and easy to use. Whether you choose the side table or standalone floor model, you'll have a great-looking air purifier that blends into your home. Best of all, you can have peace of mind knowing that you and your family are breathing cleaner indoor air.